Hello, good morning. So today my husband Mike here will test the tools that he bought online. Well, a few weeks ago, Michael was so busy talking to people, looking on Facebook, whoever has a great deal on tools like grass cutters, and what else, the other one that you bought, honey? Huh? Circular saw. We bought some tools in the States and sent it to the box, balikbayan boxes, and still Mike's still looking for tools. So last week Sunday, the guy delivered his grass cutter, Honda grass cutter 4-stroke. We already have old grass cutter, but it's old and he doesn't like it anymore, so it's only 2-stroke, so you have to mix oil and gas, which is very hassle. And Mike found a Honda 4-stroke on Facebook, and he kept talking to the guy until the guy delivered. They agree on the price, and the guy delivered it here door to door, and cheaper than the mall price. And yesterday, the guy delivered another tool, which Mike will test today. It's a baby chainsaw. Is it a baby chainsaw?
Yeah,
It's a 20-inch chainsaw. It's Stihl, and it's cheaper than the mall price. So he grabbed it, even if he doesn't really need it, but he said he can use it because he has lots of plans of doing around the property here in the Philippines. So I'm gonna show you him. He has a face shield. So that's the Stihl, the 20-inch Stihl that he bought yesterday, and it's very nice. It's cheaper than the original price in the mall, and it's free delivery. The guy is nice. They're very honest, and he already tested it. He already cut that one, and
this is lazy worker.
yeah, this is the palm tree. It was broken and fell off from that root from the tree there. It fell off maybe a month ago when the wind was so strong. So now he's gonna test the Stihl or the chainsaw if it will cut. He already tested it actually, and it cuts.
Yeah,
Careful, honey, be careful. Oh. Oh, it cuts. It cuts.
Oh, that's easy.
It's new, that's why.
I'm cutting it in manageable pieces.
Or maybe I can use that for my flowers, you know?
I don't know. Tell me how far you want to cut it.
Hello. Careful. That's a soft wood, right? Ooh, careful. Just turn it off. Hello. are you doing now?
Well, it's causing the wedge.
Oh,
So hopefully now I can pick it up and move
oh, that's heavy. Just roll over. Ah, it's rotten. Termites and ants. Of course, he has a face shield. His protective device. So what now? Oh my, very sweaty. White guy.
Cut it up.
The white guy is very sweaty. My dad had a big Stihl like that chainsaw before. So whoever needs a chainsaw man,
No.
hire him. I will hold it on the end. It moves. Ay! Done. More? Here. Done?
Yeah.
Done.
Clean and oily. Now I'll go wipe it down.
Go! So now he's cleaning it. He's cleaning his baby chainsaw. It's not really a baby chainsaw. So this is his garage. It's still a little bit messy because when we left to the States, I put everything in here. Like, it's so messy. So it needs to be organized. But now, so that's the Honda grass cutter he bought a week ago. We have old one which is laying on the floor, but this is Honda, so he bought it for very cheap price. I mean half price from
Chainsaws are half price too.
yeah. And this is our we have mower. We have mower, but and 2 grass cutter. So that's his garage. We bought this at Hobby Lobby, so he put it there. Hot Rod Garage.